It's Sunday, and that must mean one thing. Mail call and Sunday shout out time. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and we've got a Sunday shout out and mail call episode. I think this is number 14. So we've got 6 packages. This is actually one by itself in this little baggie here as well. But we've got 6 packages right here. We actually had a 7th package, so if you're expecting me to open your mail in this week, I couldn't. I had the postcard in my P.O. box that said it was too big to fit with what was already in there, and they're closed. So I couldn't quite get to every single package that I wanted to this week. But we've got 6 here anyway, so that's a good change up from last week. I'll go ahead and get these set up, ready to go. I will tell you, I'm excited because we've got one from China and we've got one from Hong Kong. So yeah, you can see it right here, Hong Kong. Pretty cool. And this one's from China. You can see it right there, China Post. That's our packages. Let's get looking. All right, guys, I've got all the packages open and ready to look at. We'll start with the package from China. There's no note in here, so I can't give credit to whoever sent it, but I will tell you, take a look at what they sent. It's a, looks like a gold-plated 2018, kind of like a commemorative coin. It's a Donald Trump. Says 45th President of the U.S. I don't know, that's pretty cool to me. So I'm not quite sure if this is just a token. I don't know if it has any melt value or anything really, but it's really cool. And then very similar, the package from Hong Kong, we have a 64 Kennedy. Looks like a $50, but again, it's thicker, bigger, a lot larger than a $50. So, and because there's no markings, I'm not familiar with whether it is if it has any melt value as well. So I'm not quite sure, but they're pretty much the exact same type of token. So if someone had sent these because they wanted to show me some of their product or just say thank you, I wish I could say thank you back. I just don't have any information on the package from Hong Kong or the package from China. But really cool coins. I especially love this one to add to the collection. Yeah. Really cool. Both of them are really cool, to tell you the truth. And they're heavy. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, next package up is from $50 Make You Holler. This is Paulette Snacks channel. I usually jump on their live streams, do a little donation, hope to get some good silver luck. Well, it just so happens that during this live stream, I got some silver luck. And they went ahead and sent the coins. Obviously, they sent me the nice sticker, which I always appreciate from Paulette Snacks. Let's take a look at what we got here. First coin is a 1969D. Good looking silver. We also got a 68D, which is good looking as well. A beautiful 44 Walking Liberty. And it appears to be Philadelphia. And then we've also got a 61 Benji and a 43 Walker. The Benji is out of Denver. And the Walker is out of Philly as well. So 5 silver coins. 3 are 90%. 2 are 40%. I know you guys know this. If you're not a sub for Paulette Snacks at $50 Make You Holler, please make sure you check them out. They have great live streams 5 days a week, Tuesday through Saturday. Okay, guys, 4th package is from Chris and Linda Clements. Let's take a look at this. Hiya, Rob. We started watching your videos back in the spring and enjoyed them very much. Keep them coming. To show our appreciation, I've enclosed a few tidbits for your collection. First up is a copper coin I picked up at the Denver Mint many years ago. Starting to tone up a bit. All right, I'm excited to see that. That must be this one right there. A 1955, a good year, silver 6pence I picked up from a good friend while we were living in England. As you know, in Britain there is a well-known tradition of the bride wearing something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, and a silver 6pence in her shoe. A silver sixpence in the bride's shoes is a traditional good luck wedding gesture, and customarily it is the father of the bride who places the sixpence as a token of him wishing her prosperity, love, and happiness in her marriage. And a roll of uncirculated 74 Lincoln cents. These came out of an unopened bag straight from the mint that I recently acquired. Ooh, okay, that's cool. Enjoy. Thanks for sharing your hunts. Cheers. Well, Chris and Linda, I'm excited to go ahead and get into this. Let's take a look at what we got here. First up, a 55 sixpence. Beautiful. Wow. That is a beautiful, beautiful coin. Unbelievable. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chris and Linda. Let's take a look at this big Denver Mint copper. Oh, it's a mint token. United States Mint. Just like I have the small one from Philadelphia, this is a large one. Department of the Treasury, 1789. Man, I like this one a lot. Matter of fact, it's the same size, I believe, as my beautiful 2009 penny that I got from a, viewer on last mail call, which I keep there as for good luck. And then a roll of 74p, uncirculated. Wow. And you got it sealed up and taped for me. I'm going to be going through these with the microscope. I don't know if there's any really cool varieties in 74. There might be a few in the Cherry Pickers Guide I'll take a look at. But either way, man, awesome. Thank you very much, Chris and Linda. This was a very kind gesture from you guys. Appreciate the letter. And I did not know that the sixpence was placed in the bride's shoe from the father, wishing her well, love, and prosperity in the marriage. So that's a good little bit of tidbit of information. Obviously, I've heard of something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. I knew about that saying, but did not know about the sixpence. So thanks for the history lesson, or the cultural lesson, I should say. And again, thanks for your package. I don't know if you guys have a channel. I'll take a look for it. But to any extent, I wanted to give you a shout out. Thumbs up. Thank you very much. All right, guys, next up is a package I got from Scott R. He really didn't want me to do a shout out, so I won't spend a lot of time on his package, but he just says he enjoys watching my coin roll hunting videos and sent me a full roll of Wheaties, a steel penny, a V-nickel, and wants me to give him a good home. Keep up the great videos. He says no need for a shout out, so I'm not going to show much. I'll go ahead and show you the beautiful steel penny he sent me. Look at that. Awesome. A beautiful V-nickel, and it's a date I don't have. 1883. And we even have some detail. It's not worn too slick for an 1883. So I will take that. He gave me some 09 pennies, some Canadians, and again, a whole roll of Wheaties, which I will sort through myself off camera, and some nickels. But Scott, man, thank you for the package. I appreciate it very much, brother. All right, guys, final package of the week. Remember, one of the packages I couldn't pick up until tomorrow, so I apologize whoever that was from. But the final package of the week is from Adam Sinclair, and Adam writes, Rob, by now you know I'm a fan of your channel. I enjoy your content and the way you conduct your searches. I have enclosed a few coins to help finish up your collection. Of course, I had to include a special Wheatie for you. That's got me intrigued. Please keep doing what you're doing and keep inspiring people. Thank you very much, Adam Sinclair. P.S. Sorry about the condition of the star note, but hopefully how rare it is will make up for it. All right, let me go ahead and look up the rarity of the star note, and I'll insert a picture of it right. Wow, Adam, that is a pretty rare star note, so I'll make sure I sleeve this up. Hey, you know what? I collect star notes anyway, so I don't mind it at all, and you're right, it does make up for it, so it's definitely a great bill. Adam, kind words, good sir. I appreciate that. Man, I'm curious to see what's in this package here. Let me get it open. Let me lay them out so we can take a look at them together. Wow. All right, guys, check out Adam's package. First and foremost, we'll get through stuff that's right here loose. Looks like he sent me some damage / air type coins. This 59 looks a lot like a Black Beauty. I'll have to take a look at it under the microscope. We've got a defaced coin. Looks like we've got a coin here that might have been stripped or had a damaged planchet ahead of time. I'll take a look at that. And then another coin here that I'll need to look at under the microscope. For sake of time, I'll look at these offline. But Adam, pretty cool nickels. Look at these foreign coins. Beautiful, beautiful coin here. 2005, 10 cents, or well, it's Australia. So I'm not quite sure of their denomination, but still awesome coin. Got another coin here. Another foreign find, 2012 from the Philippines. 1 peso, 1993. So that's really cool. Looks like we got a 20 pence coin here, 1982. Beautiful looking coin. And then looks like a possible Chinese or Asian coin here. I'm not quite sure, just going off the writing, but I love coins with flowers and the holes in the middle. So that's a great coin as well. On top of that, he sent me, look at this, guys. Here's the special penny. 1909. Let's get it under the microscope, maybe see it a little better. 1909 penny. And not only is it 1909, guys, look at that bottom right there. VDB. So, sent me a 1909 VDB penny. And it's actually, I just now realized that you probably don't get the full effect because of the reflection. This guy is in really good shape. Probably very fine or extra fine in my opinion. So that, my friend Adam, is a very special penny. And I'll be honest, as if that wasn't enough, Adam had shot me a request saying, hey, what year nickels are you still looking for your early Jefferson set? And I didn't need any early Jeffersons, but I said I still need a lot of the 70s and 80s proofs. And guys, check this out. 73 proof, a 75, a 76, a 77, a 78, an 80, an 81, an 85, an 86, an 87, and an 89. Holy cow. So by the time I get these into my nickel book, that thing is going to be, and I might have 1 or 2 of these, but I'll double check. But holy cow. I can't believe Adam just sent me that many proofs. Now my set is going to be really close to being complete. Adam, man, thank you very much for your package, good sir. That is a very sweet gift that you sent me. Much love, brother. If you guys want to check out Adam Sinclair's channel, I'll look for it and I'll post it below, as I will with all the channels. Again, I want to thank, special thanks to Chris and Linda Clements for the beautiful copper, the awesome 6-pence, the uncirculated roll, the great cultural history of what the 6-pence was used for. I love that. Scott, I know you didn't want to shout out, but I want to say thank you again, brother. Coin Karma, Paulette Snacks, $50 make you holler, always good stuff. And then again, I don't have any information on the last 2 packages, but really cool stuff. A Trump $50 and a Kennedy $50, but full dollar size. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this mail call and Sunday shout out with me this week. Really appreciate the support of the community. Please make sure you look below for anyone's information. Check out their content, like and subscribe if you can. Man, and until next weekend, guys, as always, happy hunting and thanks for watching.